Yo, what's poppin' my bees? Cajun Vlogs in the house. On Saturday, I went to a 4th of July fireworks thing, even though it's not the 4th of July it wasn't the 4th of July on Saturday, but it was just a little celebratory thing, I guess. So, I arrived and I waited for a really long time for my friend to show up. But, like, after, we just went in and messed around. I met a lot of my, I guess I should say friends, or friends/fans. Because a lot of you guys are people I personally know. So, I spotted bouncy houses and I wanted to go to them. But they were being deflated, but I didn't know that until later. So, my friend basically just bought this sword for me. I kept yelling, "Defend your honor" at everyone, and I attempted to challenge everyone to a sword fight. We then tried to sit down, and then I just went around with the sword yelling, "Defend your honor" more. There was a temporary tattoo station, and I attempted to get the word "oof" tattooed on my left arm, but they didn't have that the template for the letters. So now we get to the fireworks. They were mostly loud, mostly bright, but they were pretty. And apparently I lost my shirt without knowing about it. I don't know how I lost my shirt, but there's no point in looking for it since it's lost. We were about to leave, and then I attempted to challenge more people to sword fights. So yeah, that's cool. And after, when I was waiting to get picked up, I just talked to someone. Well, guess that was my story about Saturday's celebration thing. Peace out, my bees. Catch you in the next video.